These voices inside my head, lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me closely and don't patronize me, 'cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart. I feel the power that you don't. No, you won't, 'cause I can't make you love me if you don't. If you don't. I'll close my eyes, then I won't see the love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come, I'll do what's right. Just hold me, baby, and I'll give up the fight. And I will give up this fight. Oh, 'cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart, and I feel the power that you won't. No, you won't, 'cause I can't make you love me if you don't. If you don't. If you don't. If you don't.
Oh, what? That was beautiful.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Michael Lyons.
Pretty good, Ninja.
And you have been watching
BOOZHOO.
NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa. Hawa.
Oh,
What's going on with the lighting?
I don't know.
'Cause I can't make the lighting work in this place.
You can make.
Give us a thumbs up, too.
Oh, yeah.